Hello, Kiwi Fix It here. We've got our 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan, 4th generation, and we're converting it into a camper. So I've removed the back seats and I've removed the middle seats, and now I've removed the seat belts so we won't need them. I haven't removed them, I'm trying to, hence the video. So I've destroyed my van so we can teach you guys how to not destroy your own van. So to get in behind here, you got to pop this off. I've already done it. Get in behind there first, remove that. Then there's some screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remove them because you want to try to get this out now. Once you've done that, you want to pop this piece off, then you can pop this out. That comes out below here. And then that comes away. And then there's a screw there. Remove the screw and we'll see if this means that we can remove it. Another one up here. Another clip there. Another screw there. Yeah, just like that. And I can unbolt the seat belts. So yeah, it just tidies it up a bit more for our camper van conversion. I assume the other side's pretty similar. So we got that pulled apart. Put a 10mm socket on this. Alright, that's enough because it'll slide up into that hole, the Torx bit. So of course we don't have a Torx bit that big, so I'm going to use a Allen wrench and leverage with my grips like that at the same time to undo that. I could remove that bolt, so I've just tucked the seat belt in behind the panel there in that cavity. There's a nice plastic box there for it. Perfect for the job. This other one's just got a bolt there that should come off, no worries. So that one can come out. So it's all back together now. No seat belts. There's quite a lot of space in underneath here, so we might make a cut and have the shelf of the bed fit under there, join up to the wheel well and behind, and yeah, there's a lot of space under there that we could utilise. Now, next side. So I'll pull that out, let the boot and the trim, and this trim should come out now. White clips there. And the clip on it, get over the top there. Stubborn one, so I use 2 hands to pull on that. See these clips here are the stubborn ones on the back, so you gotta pull them out, and then it should just fall out. Got the air conditioning unit behind there, and our screws, 1, 2, 3. So if you have clips like these end up like that, you can just pull these out and then insert them back into there. Then we get our fingers in behind there. Ease this out. Pretty easy being able to do it one-handed. These little metal clips. And then we'll have more screws down there. Remove the panel. This side has the rear air conditioning unit. The little heater cores in there, and the heating pipes full of coolant are there. So if you are losing coolant in your car and it is damp around here, a common problem is these can leak. These little radiator cores. So that's how you can remove the panel to get to that too. I've seen on some videos they just go underneath the car and just disconnect it and cap it from underneath, which makes it redundant, but yeah, stops the leak. But yeah, that's where that is. I'm just going to leave mine as is for now. So yeah, installation is going to clip this side in first. Got these 1, 2, 3 clips there. That bottom one was inside that air conditioning duct, so you got to make sure it's on the side. And then yeah, they should just push in like so. All your rubber trims. Cool. And she's all back on. Bloody beauty.